Hi everyone. Yesterday I posted an Eric Clapton cover of a Bob Dylan song, and today it's Eric Clapton duetting with Elton John on this song which Elton wrote for the movie Lethal Weapon 3, Runaway Train. There's a hungry road, I can only hope's gonna eat me up inside. There's a drifting spirit, calm and clean, in the eye of a lifelong fire. Till Monday, I'll be around next week. I'm running ahead of my days. In a shotgun chance, it scattered us. I've seen the error of my ways. Oh, oh. Well, we wrapped ourselves in golden crowns like sun god spitting rain. Found a way home written on this map like red dye in my veins. In the hardest times that come around, the fear of losing grows. I've lost and seen the world shut down. It's a darkness no one knows. Oh, oh. And I poured out the pleasure, dealt with the pain. I'm standing in the station, waiting in the rain. I'm starting to feel a little muscle again, but love is lost like a runaway train. Yes, I'm out of control and out of my hands. I'm tearing like a demon through no man's land. I'm trying to get a grip on my life again. Nothing hits harder than a runaway train. And I poured out the pleasure and dealt with the pain. I'm standing in a station, waiting in the rain. I'm starting to feel a little muscle again, but love is lost like